Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.